What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. We are delving into another music generator called Udio. I don't know if it's pronounced right. I'm pronouncing it right. Is it Udio or Udio? I don't know, but that's how it is. UDIO. And to access it, you go to udio.com. This is quite similar, I guess, to Suno AI that we have covered on this channel. And if you haven't watched the video, I will link it up. It's actually very similar because Suno uses text prompts to generate music, both instrumentals and like music with voices as well. That's what Udio does, and I would want us to go through the entire process of trying to generate a music using AI with Udio. First of all, after going to the website, you sign up. You sign up if you aren't already signed up. You choose any of these methods. I prefer just using a Google account. And now it asks you to put in, like, fill in these details. Display name, let's say Williams on N. Now the next thing is to create magic. Now upon successful login, you are welcomed by this page, which gives you a space to type in like a prompt just describing what this song is about, or you could use your custom lyrics and paste one if you already have it, or you could just generate an instrumental. So now let's try creating a song about keyboards and PC, like the one we did with Suno. So let's say a song about keyboards and PC. All right, so I think it was a rap song. I can't remember. No, a romantic song. How was it? An R&B, exactly. So an R&B song about keyboards and PC. Look at how easy it is to just tell AI to do stuff. So let's see how good it is with doing this. So it's creating tracks, and just like Suno, it's going to create two different versions of the track. So you could see, or you could choose which one you prefer. And I don't think I needed to add R&B in the prompt, but there are two ways about it. Like, you could go about it. You could either just type the the genre of music from the prompt, or you could add it as a tag. And because I added R&B, it automatically made the two of them R&Bs. And for our Suno AI example, they're also both R&B. So let's just see, and just for reference sake, I'm gonna play the two sounds generated by Suno, and then we could compare with the one from Udio, just so you could let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. I mean, let's go with the first one. Yeah, I remember, I really loved this. This is all right. I'm not going to give the full song. If you want it, I could. I think there's a share link here. Yeah, I could just indicate, and I'm going to reply on the comment section if you really want this. Let's go with the second one. Let's see. All right, that's like for the two. Now this is done. Let's see how this plays out. Let's try the first one. The story's just beginning, man. I'm feeling lovely. Hmm. I don't know. All right. To be honest, in my opinion, I don't really, I don't know. I'm not vibing to this one. Maybe you may like it. Hmm. All right. This is a bit better than the first one. And if you notice something, in our Suno AI generated songs, we have them reaching like 1 minute plus, and these were extended. That's why they have this length, which means you can create a full song from Suno. And same goes with this. Let's say this is the one we like. To create a full song from it, we could just click on extend, and you could either add a section using your own predefined lyrics, or you could just generate the lyrics on your own, like automatically, or you could just add. In this case, we are not really dealing with an instrumental alone, so we're going to ignore this part. So let's say we want to extend it. We like this and want to extend it. So all we need to do is click on this. Now, the first one we generated, like before generating it, we had like 111 credits, and then we, by generating two songs, we now have 108, which means a song costs a credit, which is more than generous. And from this you could see that you will be given 10 daily credits, which is really really nice. I mean, what else would you want? Now let's try auto generating the next section, and see if it works as expected. So it's still going to do two different variants of, like, two different versions of this. I'm sure it's going to follow the same sound, but it's going to have like different versions of the lyrics. So I'm gonna come back when it's done. All right, so it's done. Let's play the version one and see how it is. I'm at my desk and I'm in the mood to connect with all those keys, make magic bloom. All right. Okay, I don't know. It's still, I'm just not so blown away by this. Maybe because Suno AI has spoiled me. Let's go with this and see. All right, so just like I said, the sound is going to be the same because you're just basically extending this, but the lyrics would differ because it's extending it based on an auto generation that you have done. And you could also remix it, just like Suno over here. When you have to extend a song after creating the 30-second version, extending it requires you to click on this and do all that. But we're not here to talk about Suno. I'm just trying to describe how much of a work it is for you to extend Suno's songs compared to this. So that's an advantage that a pro that Udio has over Suno. And I don't know, what do you think? Which one would you prefer using? Is it Udio or Suno? But I feel they both have very, very similar features. Imagine you could also upload your own audio, but this goes with premium subscriptions only. And for Suno, what if I want to upload my own audio? It also goes with the premium version only. So this, like I said, is very very similar. I won't be surprised if its best friends are created these two, maybe they couldn't settle on one and they decided to just go out there and create competitions for themselves. Just kidding. But let me know what you think. That's been it. And yeah, I don't know. Can I continue vibing with this? For now, it's goodbye. See you in the next video.